This is our shelving brackets by Zing Hu. It's a 24 pack and it comes with 144 screws and 72 wall anchors. And I'm using it for my Ryobi link wall. Right here, as you can see, we have 2 installed in the shelf. And right here, we're going to be doing another one. So this shelf here is going to be for a plastic welding gun. You've seen it in the past. And what we've done here is already installed one of the brackets just for ease of use for this purpose. And we're using the short end down here. As you can see, I have pre-drilled holes. I've hit a stud here, here, and I put a wall anchor in here. I found where it helps is to put the screws in. Start with the bottom one. Get the other ones in place. And go ahead and start screwing those in. Okay, this one right here just needs a little bit more snugging. Okay, these are both nice and snug. Now we're going to do test fit here with our shelving laminate. Oh, these laminate floorings are made by Kohler, if I didn't mention that. Okay. Now that we have both brackets up, we're putting our shelf up here to check for level. And we're level. And we're also checking for fitment to make sure this and this side here are evenly placed. Getting 46 millimeters here from the edge to the center of the bracket. Now going from the edge to the center of the bracket here. Got 46. Now what we're going to do is get a magic marker and mark our holes for the bottom of the shelf. Now we're going to mark the shelving holes. The screws we have are going to be too long for the thickness of this board. So we're going to make them fit. Got our diagonal cutters. Now, no problem. So we're going to need 6 screws. Now when we drill our holes, we don't want to go through it. So we're taking our drill bit, put masking tape as a depth marker. Now we're drilling out our 6 holes. As you can see, we didn't go through. We like to clean up as we go along. Makes things easier. Okay, now we've started all the screws here. We haven't fully seated them because we don't want it shifting on us. And one thing is, when you cut the screws, you're going to use that point, lose that point. So it helps to put a little bit of dish soap on there. I don't know if you can see this, but this is what I'm talking about. Shifting, depending on the pressure and the location. The brackets will move up and shift sideways. So it's best to do them a little bit at a time. Okay, to where we're almost fully seated. Just to where it's nice and snug. Holding the shelf. See, as you can see, it's still. Now we can seat them. fully seated. Okay, now we have our shelf complete. We're going to do a bitment check of our welding gun. There we go. Very nice. This is the third installment of our DIY Ryobi link system. That plastic welding gun case is in a good location since it's going to be right here in this convenient location on this modular table. It's going to save a lot of time and hassle just looking for things. All these tools you see here, most of them has been reviewed on my channel, so go ahead and check those out. As always, like and subscribe. Thanks.